Welcome to the Softhealer technology. In this video, we will see how Backdate Audit Logger work in Invoice. So for that, you need to enable this boolean. Now in Invoice, here invoice is created. So now we backdate this invoice. Add invoice date here, which you want. Apply. Now add a remark here. Now confirm. Here you can see history added and also backdate logger here, which will show all information of backdate. Also you can see here all information of backdate logger. Now create payment. Add amount here, confirm. Now backdate this payment, add date here, add a remark here. Now confirm. Here you can see history will show here and logger here.